So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in game bar settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to make sure you have enable game bar turned on. And now for the second method, you want to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description. So now, once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then select your language and click on download. If you're running 32-bit, you want to get this one. If you're running 64-bit, you want to get this one. If you don't know which one you have, you want to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And now once you're on this, next to system type is going to tell you. So I'm running 64-bit. For you, if it says 32 or 86, that means that you're running 32-bit. So I'm on 64-bit, so I'm going to be getting this one. If you're not on 64-bit, you want to get this one. So I'm just going to be getting this one right here, 64-bit. Click on download. So we're going to click on the download. Wait for this to load. And then click on yes. And then click on I accept. Wait for this to load. Because I'm using a virtual machine, I cannot proceed with this, but in your case, it should let you install it. So now once it's been fully installed, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.